Hello class 2, this is Tarun Kumar Srivastava here. I am your English teacher. This is your first online class. I have your English book in my hand. The chapter's name is Monkey and Ant, the best friends. What does it mean in Hindi? बंदर और चींटी सबसे अच्छे मित्र. This is a story in which uh, there was a monkey. It was a very friendly monkey. Its name was Delphi. He lived in the forest of California. He sometimes used to trick others to make fun of them, but by nature he was very friendly. Once it so happened that there was a colony of ants moving. Suddenly a storm came and one of the ants got lost. It was sobbing bitterly. Delphi saw it. He wanted to help it. He soothed it and took it to a banyan tree and told it to take rest for the night there, and in the very morning he would help it to reach its habitat, house or destination. The ant felt very pleasure. In the next morning, Delphi did as he had promised last day. Uh, the ant had been made to reach its destination safely. The ant and the monkey became very close friends. Rather, they became best friends for each other. One day it so happened that a fierce tiger grabbed Delphi by its neck. Uh, just at that moment, the ant decided to help his friend. He entered the nostril of the tiger and beat it at many places. The tiger roared in pain, and the monkey, means Delphi, escaped from there. They both they both spent their life from their words their own words very happily. So in the end I like to say that we should behave with others in a very friendly manner. If we are in a friendship, we must help our friends in their needs. In this chapter, I have finished this chapter here. There are so many difficult words. I would like to translate its Hindi meanings also. Just look at the board. I have written those word meanings on the board. Come closer. The first word is generous. Its English meaning is unselfish, charitable, and its Hindi meaning would be dayalu. The second word is naughty. Its English meaning is badly behaved. What does its Hindi meaning is? Natkhat. The third word is tricks. Tricks means things done to deceive or outwit. Its Hindi meaning is चालबाजियां या बेवकूफ बनाने के करतब. The next word is wailing. Wailing means crying. Crying means रोना या बिलखना. The next word is proceeded. Proceeded means continued. What does its Hindi meaning is? What is its Hindi meaning? जारी रखना. Next word is rain. Cats and dogs. It is an idiomatic phrase. Its Hindi meaning is मूसलाधार बारिश होना, and its English meaning is to rain heavily. The next word is chuckle, means laugh. Its Hindi meaning is हंसना. Next word is sobbing. What does it mean in English? Crying noisily means बिलखना. Next word is colony. What does colony mean? Its meaning is group of ants, means चींटियों का झुंड. Next word is gratitude, means thankfulness. Its Hindi meaning is आभार या कृतज्ञता. The next word is cozily. Its meaning is comfortably, meaning in Hindi आराम से. The next word I have written here, aghast. Aghast means shocked. What does it mean in Hindi? Chakit. The next word is incident. What is its Hindi meaning? Happening means घटना. The next word is immense. What does it mean in English? Extreme means विशाल. The last word is road. Road means loud deep cry means garja ya chinghara. The all words I have mentioned here both in English as well as in Hindi. Only the exercise page, the doable page is left here. We will do it in the next class. I hope you all have understood the story. The story was about friendship, in which a monkey once helped an ant and saved its life. At the other instance, the ant helped the monkey, and the ant helped the monkey and saved its life. This way the story ends. That's all. Thank you. If there are any queries, don't hesitate in communicating on our WhatsApp page. Thank you. Goodbye for now.